Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can transfer Amazon gift card balance to Amazon Pay. Well, as you can see at the Amazon Pay here, Amazon Pay offers a simple way to check out from your favorite online stores and manage your payment methods on Amazon.com website. And as you can see, you will find this option or button, Amazon Pay. So how does Amazon Pay works? As you can see, simply click the button when checking out to use the information already stored in your Amazon account. So if we're going to scroll down, you'll find the fastest way to pay every day, everywhere, and shop worry-free. Now, if we're going to the other page here, how it works, basically you can use it on your web or mobile. You can download the Apple Pay mobile app, and here you will find a question. So as you can see, can I use Amazon.com gift cards with Amazon Pay? If you click on drop down menu here, as it says at this time, Amazon.com gift cards cannot be used as a payment method to place an order using Amazon Pay. So Amazon.com gift cards can only be used to purchase eligible goods and services on Amazon.com and certain related sites as provided in the Amazon.com gift card terms and conditions. So if we're going to open this page, terms and conditions, then basically you'll find that there is no direct way on how you can add the Amazon gift card balance to your Amazon Pay. So how we can add this to your Amazon Pay? If we're going to click on this one, says Amazon Pay accepts credit and debit cards. So basically, you just have to transfer first your Amazon gift card balance to your credit and debit cards. And once you transfer to your cards, then you can add it to your Amazon Pay. So how we can do that? You just need to go to Raise Marketplace. So go to google.com and search for this website, and you'll find this Raise Buy and Sell Discounted Gift Card Save Today. So just need to open this website here, and as you can see the web page, scroll down, and you will find this Sell Gift Card for Cash. So if you're going to sell your gift cards, then you can transfer it to your bank account. All right, so click on a sell a card button right from here. So once you click on sell a card, then you will find this one saying you need first is find your cards and then list for sale and then get paid. And as you can see, receive funds via direct deposit or PayPal when you sell. So when you get the funds on PayPal, you can transfer the money to credit or debit cards, and then you can now transfer that money from credit to debit cards to your Amazon Pay. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.